Hello, this is GIMax and this is my third tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to make a joystick controlled turret. Yes. It's gonna use an expression, and you can find the expression in the video description or the forums, whatever I posted. First you need all those pieces for it. Now get your ball socket easy out and place it in the middle. That's gonna be your joystick. You can find all those props in the tile construction props or whatever it's called. Now we're gonna use wired hydraulics. From there to there to there, there, there. It's gonna use 4 of them, and it's gonna output a value according to how long hydraulics are. Right, so now you got hydraulics. Go to physical properties, gravity toggle off, and 0 grav that pole, which is our joystick. Now let's spawn the expression. But first, something really important. Length of the top hydraulic goes to the bottom hydraulic. The bottom goes to the top, left to the right, and right to the left. Basically it stays upright right now. In case you do something wrong, like you give the hydraulic a value of 1, it will stay at that value. But now it checks the length of the other one, which will keep it upright. Right, I made a few typos or mistakes in the expression. It's not a big deal. So HR stands for hydraulic right, which actually it's hydraulic left. So HR goes to the left hydraulic, HU goes to the upper one. Right, so there you got the joystick done. Now we start constructing the turret itself. Access tool, access this plate onto this one, then hold this one up like that, and also access this one, which is the barrel, to there, and then move it over here. Yeah, that's like that, and weld it. Alright, now we need another hydraulic for the up and down movement of the turret. From there to there to the panel. Then we're gonna use thrusters, wire thrusters. Force multiplier 6 and force maximum can be 1. It's not much, but it's enough for the start. You don't want to move super fast because of it's a little hard to aim with a joystick. Place them on those sides like that. Oh, by the way, the bidirectional has to be on. Works out of water, works underwater, whatever you like. Effects, whatever you like. Model, whatever you like. I prefer the pop cans. Right, so that's what's gonna control our turret. Now we need a weld latch, so it will stop when you're when the pole is straight up. So this plate to that plate, and place it next to the hydraulic we just made. Alright, now let's wire up the side-to-side movement. The A of the thrusters go to the expression output right, which is supposed to be left, but that doesn't matter. Right, I can unfreeze it already. Oh yeah, I need to do this first. Right, go to gate comparison and equal gate. Place it under the weld latch. The A goes to the expression right, and the active goes to the equal gate. Right now it's still frozen, but when you move it, it should rotate. Oh wait, I forgot something. You need to physical properties, no gravity, everything. Holy crap, that's not good. I have no idea what just happened. Yeah, I'll demonstrate a little later on. We need to move turret up and down. Go to gate time, get accumulator, place it on the hydraulic, then get go to gate arithmetic and spawn a multiply underneath the accumulator and a constant value of 3 would be good. Yeah. A goes to the accumulator, B goes to the constant value, the accumulator goes to output up on the expression gate, then the length will go to the multiply. If I'm correct, we're set. Let's see what happens. It will take some time. Let's just use a debugger real quick to see what's going on. Oh, yep, I did something wrong. Alright. Let's change that real quick. The HU on the expression goes to the upper hydraulic. No, wait. It's the bottom hydraulic. The HU goes to the bottom hydraulic. Now it should move. There it goes. See that? Now why is this moving? Ah, there it goes. There it goes. You see, when I move it to the right, it will spin to the right. Move to the left, it will spin to the left. Move it forward, it will go down. Move it to the back, it will move up. And when I release the joystick, it will stay at its original position. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, it's a quick tutorial and I hope you guys can recreate it. Well, have fun you guys. Goodbye.